Hi madam, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine madam, what about you?
Fine. So, can I have your resume?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Your name?
My name is Nagendra madam.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm in Nellore madam.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning madam. First of all, thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity. My name is Nagendra. I live in Hyderabad. Currently I am staying in Begumpet. I have done my graduation BCom Computers in 2020 in Simapuri University. I'm also fresher and I live with my family. My hobbies like watching movies, listening music ma'am. My strength are I'm honest and self-motivated person with positive attitude with my career and my life. My goals are my short-term goal is get a job in reputed company and my long-term goal is a responsible, the respectful position in the organization. That's all.
Okay. Your hobbies?
Listening music and movies.
Movies. What kind of movies you will watch?
I will watch the movies mostly horror movies.
Horror movies.
Interest me.
Recently, which movie you have watched?
Demonty Colony.
Okay. Fine. So, which programming language you are comfortable?
Java, Core Java.
Core Java. Okay. Basic or depth?
Basic.
Basic.
Yes,
Okay. What is string constant pool?
Actually, string constant pool is a separate block of the memory where static objects are stored in the JVM. It is also known as string constant pool.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the difference between system.exit of 0 and system.exit of 1?
System.exit of 0 is portal and system.exit of 1 is non-portal. As the name of itself, the system.exit of 0 is terminate the program is successfully executed without any error. System.exit of 1 is used to terminate the program. Mostly some errors maybe. That also system.exit of 0 and system.exit of 1.
Okay. How can you make classes immutable? How can you make classes immutable? Okay. What is jagged array?
Another
Speak loud.
another we can change the different types of elements in each row and column. A set of columns with different types of different types of columns in 2D array. That is known as jagged array.
What is the another name for jagged array? What is static and dynamic polymorphism?
Static. This is the polymorphism executed at the compilation time. At the compiler, link method called with the method is called at the compilation time. Hence, it is also known as compile time polymorphism or dynamic binding. The dynamic polymorphism. This is the polymorphism. Static binding. This is the polymorphism executed at the runtime. In the compiler does not know the method called at the compilation time. But JVM has a link. A method is called with the action, the body of the method during the runtime. Hence, it is also known as dynamic polymorphism, runtime polymorphism.
So why multiple inheritance is removed in Java?
This is the subclass 1. This is the subclass 1 to inherit the property wants to one or more subclasses then they have same method. In Java, does not decide the which method is should be inherited. It is the main change of the memory is duplicate. That is the reason of multiple the immutable are removed in the Java.
So how we have overcome this? What is copy constructor?
The copy constructor which is used to store the data one object to another object at the same class is also known as copy constructor.
Okay. Explain about garbage collection in Java.
It is the modify the process of making or identify the objects at the same class to free up to the space of the memory is also known as garbage collection. There are two types of garbage collection. So serial type of garbage collection, parallel garbage collection.
Okay. What is the difference between static keyword, static block and static method?
Static block, madam. At the time of executing static method is not available in Java. Create the method execution of static method. It is a time to execution of the static method. Inherit instance variable are not available. Static keyword in Java is
What is the advantage with static method? What is the advantage with static method? No. What is static block?
At the time of executing static method objects are not available in JVM. Create the method execution of static method. At the time of execution, static method is
I'm asking about static block. What is static block? What difference between fail fast and fail safe?
Fail fast, madam. It is the
difference between what is concurrent collection and synchronized collection?
the concatenation collection can be modify the multiple thread at the time. That is to modify or access the collection to the multiple threading.
What are byte streams and text streams?
Byte stream. The byte stream in Java is used to perform the input and output operations of 8 bytes, where character the system execution between input and output operations for the 16-byte Unicode.
What is synchronization in threads?
Synchronization. This is the act of object performed at the thread and the same object they have same method is called synchronization.
So what is AWT? What are the components present in AWT?
Okay. AWT is a abstract window toolkit. It was developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995. Concept components of AWT. AWT is a API. It is used to develop the window applications. API is a framework and it is used to develop the system applications. AWT toolkit is represent a.
I'm asking what are the GUI components are there in AWT? What kind of GUI components will be present in AWT? What is final class? Difference between lists and sets?
A list is a collection of synchronized is default. Hence it is not available in the single thread and multiple threading loop. A sets will not allow the null values, and list will allow the null values also. Sets is allow the list null elements. Sets will not allow the null elements, and list will allow the null elements also.
So write down one program. Write a Java program to find out subset of the given string. Write a Java program to find out subsets of the given string. You need to take one main string. Based on that, you need to find out the substring combinations. Write down the program.
So class name is subsets. Main method public static void main string args string str equal to నేను abc తీసుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ
Speak in English.
class name is subsets. Here main method is public static void main. I will take the string str equal to abc. I will use the for loop name. For loop int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. Again the for loop is used to int j equal to 0, j less than or equal to str dot length and j plus plus. Then I will print the substrings of the substrings of the int string
Given string.
substring of the given strings ma'am. Then will come the output is first is a will come, and second one is ab, third one is abc. Then it also will come the program will satisfy ma'am.
Okay, sit down. So for now technical round is completed. Okay. So do you have any questions to ask me?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay. So for further information, our HR will contact you.
Okay madam, thank you.